you'd have to take this apart here, and then also you'd have to get up here and maybe blow it out right here. This little.
Okay, so that was where that clamp flew from, right? Okay.
This clamp goes into here. This is tied into a union right here. You can take that union out, and you can go and get like a little little CO2 cartridge.
The CO2 pistol. Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
just blast it out.
Okay.
Pretty much that's about it, other than cleaning
that one's
the louvers here.
Yeah, that
and
one's
cleaning these filters pretty much basically.
Okay.
And what I do, I just turn them all on when I do my PMs.
Mm-hmm.
And I turn them all on at once, and then you can see out down the line, especially when the cold season, it takes a while for them to warm up.
Mm-hmm.
I just go through and just check the airflow temperatures, make sure you get enough airflow across and all that good stuff. Pretty much basically. Okay. They're pretty easily to maintain. Other than when we come, we also get on with our computer and go to the BCD controller, and then we will maybe shut one off at a time and check the refrigerant flow and things like that.
Now he's got something. The captain has something in his office. Were we able to do that there? What you just described?
If he has the main controller, you could. If you have the computer with the capabilities, but you guys don't need. Only the time we really need to do that is when you're doing some troubleshooting. You guys wouldn't need to do that as far as troubleshooting, because you guys don't do the refrigeration charge or anything like that, which you really don't want to mess with anyway. So is the main controller in here?
There's something down in the captain's office.
Downstairs?
Is that what he's talking?
Is that the main control? Yeah, this pretty much just tells you what
Oh, okay.
If it's on or not or anything like that. I'll give you the codes, things like that. No, this PC controller. You can tap in. You can tap into here. Oh, but this is not it.
There's
right
a jack for it or something.
Yeah, the jack. We probably gotta open this thing up right here.
Okay.
Inside here. But this will just tell you what each unit is doing, pretty much basically the temperatures and all. This is just the controller.
Oh, okay. So this is basically okay. So it's basically these things are in every room, right?
Yeah.
So
exactly.
it's basically he can do what you do in every room. He can do that here.
Pretty much basically, yeah.
Oh, okay. Got it. So it's not that thing you just described.
No, exactly. You gotta get on with the laptop and go and get into here.
But you're saying we shouldn't have to fool with that?
Not unless you're doing the troubleshooting.
I mean, we're not going to call you for everything. I mean...
okay, well, I mean, we can talk to Dave about getting you guys one set up for one.
You know,
Have you guys taken the Mitsubishi class?
We took one, but it was mainly for, it was mainly a sales thing.
Oh, yeah. If you haven't taken the class, you wouldn't, even if I gave you the laptop, you still wouldn't even know how to log on and even do any troubleshooting with that thing.
Okay, because that was more of a sales. It really wasn't diagnostics and troubleshooting and extensive repairs.
Okay.
It was mainly sales and installation. You know?
Yeah, exactly. No, I know what you're referring to. Yeah, so I mean that would do you no good in either way. So.
$5.8 pounds.
Sorry?
It might be above the ceiling.
Okay, well there you go. That's probably, well, it probably hasn't been touched, so, here you go, boss. Thank you. Probably hasn't been touched yet since, okay, there you go.
Let's take them all off to get you what you're looking at here.
There. That's great. compressor's right there. Let me get your. My guess is a VFD somewhere.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, at least you picked a nice day.
Gorgeous. It was foggy where I came from.
Oh yeah, where'd you come from?
Modesto.
Oh, that Thule fog.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
it was
after-
horrible this morning.
After big rains.
Yep.
Yeah. Jesus! Oh, man, this is fun stuff. Oh, lovely. Okay, well.
So like the landing terminals is what they might want to be.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Okay, you just,
obviously you would want to power this thing down before you did all that.
Okay. So anything where you see big fat wires, that would be a primary concern, and then
Exactly.
these little guys,
Yeah.
you know, just kind of skim a little slight tug, make sure everything's tight. But like he says, power down. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Pretty basic right there.
Okay. So
And nothing really under here.
it's just a continuation of this
Yeah.
spaghetti here.
Yeah.
Okay. Big fat spaghetti. Okay. Alrighty. Very elaborate system. It's supposedly